my goodness. Did you see this big move?
Oh wow! Did you miss this? Don't tell me you missed this movement over here, because you can clearly see that you could have placed your sell stop order over here and then boom. Okay, I just want to take you through the simple step on how I got this big move, on how you too could have achieved this big move. Okay, so over here you can see we have this candlestick seems to be an engulfing candlestick. Yeah, you can see it engulfed this particular bearish candlestick here. It engulfed it, and over here you can see price broke that support level. Boom, you can see the big move, right? So what you could have done to achieve this movement, let me show you. Over here, this bullish engulfing candle that engulfed a bearish candle, you can see that candlestick over there, the bullish candlestick there, it's a fake engulfing candlestick. This is not the proper engulfing candlestick. That's fake engulfing candlestick. Yeah, it's fake. So now what you do is you pick your horizontal line and place it at the support. Over here, place it at the support zone. You want to place a sell stop order. So once the price breaks the support, boom, your order will be activated. And so what I did over here was I placed a sell stop order. Immediately price get to that support zone, my sell order got activated, and you can see this big move over here. Big move, massive move. You can see this massive movement, almost 300 pips, almost 300 pips, right from where you could have set your sell stop order. Over 200, almost 300 pips. Guys, this is massive. You can do this. It's very simple. So if you are having difficulties, if you want to know how to spot out fake bullish engulfing candlestick, fake bearish engulfing candlestick, fake bullish hammer candlestick, if you want to know fake candlesticks, follow me and like this video. If you don't want to miss my super profitable strategy I use, tell me, please show me how, and I will do a special video for you. I just want to be sure that people are following me. I don't want to make videos that people will not be looking at. I want to make video and be sure that you are watching it. So ask me, how did you do it? And once I see your comments, I'll make a special video on how I spot out all of these fake support, fake resistance, fake engulfing candlestick, fake hammer candlestick, so you can better time your entries and you can know where to avoid entering a trade. Enjoy your day and enjoy trading. If you want your account to grow, make sure you do the right thing. Alright, bye.